If you have more ginger, you can put more, because ginger is gonna give out a very nice fragrance. Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook salmon fish head soup. This soup is very sweet from the vegetable, and the salmon fish is very rich with the fat from the fish. There are two parts in this recipe: marinating the fish and cooking the soup. Here are my ingredients: 750 grams of salmon head and tail, wash and clean. 200 grams of watercress. These are young watercress shoots. They will add nice crunchy textures to the soup, but they are not hard to eat. 230 grams of white chimachi mushroom, 2 tablespoons of goji berry, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon of ginger slices, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 75 grams of carrot slices, and 1 liter of water. All the ingredients are ready. So now we're going to marinate the fish. Just going to put the fish here in the marinating plate. Sprinkle the salt. Fish is marinated with salt. Now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan over the medium to high heat. Put in 1 liter of water. We want to use the deep pot or the wok like this to ensure that the fish head and the tails are fully submerged when they are boiled. Add in seasoning: sesame oil, ginger stripe, pepper, oyster sauce, carrot, and chimachi mushroom. For the chimachi mushroom, I like to wash it just right before cooking. After washing, just put it in. I put half of the goji berry. For the goji berry, I also like to wash it just right before cooking. We want the carrot, the chimachi mushroom, and also goji berry to release the essences into the soup. Give it a stir. Cover the lid and allow it to come to roaring boil around 3 to 5 minutes. Soup is boiling. We're gonna add in the fish. When add in the fish, make sure that the fish is submerged in the soup, and avoid stirring at this stage until the fish is cooked, because when we put the fish in the soup, if the fish is not cooked yet, when you stir, it might release the fishy smell in the soup. Allow the fish to cook first before give it a stir. At the same time, I'm going to put in the watercress. Just press it down a little bit. Cover the lid and continue to cook for another 3 minutes until the fish is fully cooked. After 3 minutes, the soup should contain a natural sweetness from the vegetable, and the salmon color should have changed into a pale orange. If the salmon is not submerged completely in the water, flip it and allow it to boil for another 1 minute. When the salmon look like this, it's already cooked. So basically, if the fish is already cooked, we can give it a stir. So we're going to push the vegetable one side. And now I can taste it. Delicious, very tasty. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so, but for this soup, it's enough taste and it's already delicious. So I'm going to switch off the heat. For the fish soup, it's best served while it's hot, and I'm going to dish out and serve. Before serving, I'm putting the balance of the goji berry after wash. and the balance of the ginger. If you have more ginger, you can put more, because ginger is gonna give out a very nice fragrance and it can counter the fishy smell. So now we're gonna dish out and serve. Let's eat! Delicious. The soup is very sweet with the essence of vegetable and the salmon. Watercress is crunchy and sweet. Salmon head is very tasty. There's quite a bit of fat from the fish head, making it very rich. It balances out with the ginger taste. Really delicious. This is really rich in omega-3. I love it. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye-bye.